Hello students, welcome back. We are on the topic reactions in solution, and in this video we will be studying the third concentration term, that is the molarity. Molarity, it is defined as the number of moles of the solute in 1 liter of the solution. It is denoted by symbol M. So we can write down the formula of molarity. M is number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. So now if I have 1 gram mole of solute dissolved per liter of the solution, meaning this solution is 1 molar solution. This particular solution is 1 molar solution. Now for example, if I have 1 molar sodium carbonate solution, okay, here the molecular mass is 106 gram per mole, meaning this solution has 106 gram of the solute present per liter of the solution. It is convenient to express the volume in ml or in terms of cm cube, so that molarity will be equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of the solution in ml or in terms of cm cube. Then what we have to do? We have to multiply here by 1000. Since 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Thus, the unit of molarity are moles per liter or moles per cubic decimeter. The symbol M is used for mole per liter or mole per cubic decimeter, and it is represented by molarity. If NB moles of solute are present in V ml of solution, then molarity will be equal to NB, that is the number of moles, and volume is given by V into 1000. Molarity is one of the common measures of expressing concentration which is frequently used in the laboratory. However, it has one disadvantage. It changes with temperature because of expansion or contraction of the liquid with temperature. Numerical 1. 2.46 gram of sodium hydroxide, molar mass is 40, are dissolved in water and the solution is made to 100 ml in the volumetric flask. What we need to calculate is calculate the molarity of the solution. So first thing is, we know that which is our solute. Solute is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, and our solvent is water. Together it is making a solution. So let us write what is given to us. First thing given to us is mass of NaOH, that is 2.46. Molar mass of OH, that is 40 gram per mole, and volume of solution, that is 100 ml. So we can find out number of moles of solute, that is NaOH, which is equal to mass of solute divided by the molar mass of the solute. The mass of solute is 2.46 gram upon the molar mass is 40 gram per mole. So answer of this is 0.0615 mole. Now we can calculate the molarity. Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in ml. Now as it is in ml, we have to multiply here by 1000. So we know that the number of moles of solute is 0.0615 upon volume of solution is given in terms of ml. So this is 100 ml into 1000. The answer of this is 0.615. Mole per liter or molar, that is capital M. Thank you.